Eyes up front, please.
Could have been in
My quarter two genius hour project was how can sports be deadly? This project is worthwhile to me because my sister was diagnosed with ARVC, which causes sudden cardiac death in athletes. The positive impact on others is learning about this disease will make people pay attention to their bodies and to know the symptoms. The steps I took, I brainstormed ideas. I found one more topic about sports, which was hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, and I researched about that topic. Got books from Mayo, and I made this part. What I learned? I learned the differences in testing between ARVC and the cardiomyopathy. So the differences, the HCD, the heart muscle thickens, and a thickened heart muscle can make it harder to pump blood. And the ARVC, heart muscle thickens plus has an arrhythmia, which are funny beats. So right here, this is the thickened heart muscle, and then this is fatty tissue around here. This is the ARVC heart, and this is the HCD heart. My first mentor was Joelle. She's my sister, and she was diagnosed with ARVC, and she helped me understand each testing. My second one was Holly Jacobs, who is my mom, and she gave me information about testing, and she also gave me pictures for the next slide, and they're actually Joelle's pictures. Testing of the chest X-ray. This gives doctors pictures that show where your heart is in your chest and how big it is, and this test takes 5 to 10 minutes. So this is Joelle's old heart, and this is her new heart now, and you can tell the size difference between them. And this is the diseased heart. EKG. This gives doctors information about your heart, how fast it beats, its rhythm, and this test takes 5 to 10 minutes. The echo. It's just like an ultrasound, but it goes over your heart. It helps doctors see parts of your heart, how well it pumps, and this test takes 45 to 90 minutes. The blood test. This gives doctors information about your blood, like your blood type, the amount of minerals in your blood, salts in your blood, how many types of cells in your blood, and how well your blood clots. The stress test. This measures how your heart and lungs react to exercise, and it takes however long you can walk and run. Pulmonary function test. This test shows the function of your lungs as your heart pumps full of oxygen through them, and this takes an hour, and you breathe through that white thing. The symptoms: HCD, shortness of breath, chest pain, and fainting. ARVC, shortness of breath, fainting, irregular heartbeats, dizziness, and swollen ankles. My reflection: these diseases often go undetected or are found by accident, which they can be deadly, especially in athletes. My first course was what hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is. My second one was the testing methods for both of the diseases. The top one is the symptoms and what ARVC is, and the bottom one is Joelle's personal interview. The top one is the pulmonary function test, and the bottom one is the symptoms of hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. And this one is the video that you'll watch next, and it shows like Joelle's journey and how it started.
Will you go back one, Holly?